This is Samantha from the Southern Ocean Chamber, and I have Kate with me.
Hello.
And we're just here to do a quick video for everyone that's involved with the Wedding Roadshow. We're so glad that you guys had signed up to be a vendor. We're really excited to be back in person. Again, the day of the show is Sunday, April 24th, and the day will start at 9 a.m. with a welcome and with some light refreshments and like kind of just a meeting place at the mainland. That's in Manahawkin. And then after that, from 10 to 4, all the attendees will be encouraged to go out and start touring. And the touring is from 10 to 4. So that's the timeline of the day. Again, we're encouraging all the attendees to arrive around 9, and then like a hard stop at 10 to head out and start touring the venues. So we have 2 different types of venues for the day, and they consist of showcase venues, which we have 6, and then tour only venues, which we have 6 as well. So the showcase venues is where the attendees will stop, and that's where the vendors will be, the wedding professionals, on-site meet and greets, the food, music, and everything will be at those 6 spots. So those 6 spots include the Beach Haven Tuna and Marlin Club, Brant Beach Yacht Club, the Seashell Resort and Beach Club, Station 117, the Surf City Yacht Club, as well as Terrace Tavern. So those are your, that's where you'll find the vendors. That's where you guys will be. So the tour onlys are just, they're open for business. They're not specifically closed for the day like the venues are. So they'll be open for business, and they have specific staff set up to greet anybody who comes in. They'll get a quick tour, any collateral if there's interest. And they're typically for rehearsal dinners, more intimate events, more intimate weddings, accommodations, etc. And those tour only stops include Buckaloo's, Daddy-O, The Gables, Hotel LBI, the LBI Foundation of Arts and Sciences, and Tucker's Tavern. So those stops, we can't guarantee like a huge influx of brides heading out to visit those because they're not included necessarily for the grand prize. They're also not included with the bulk of, you know, the wedding planning initiatives, which would be to, you know, meet and greet and discuss things. Again, we created the tour only stops for like supplemental services, you know, engagement parties, things like that. So that's what that's for. And then Kate, she assigns.
So I'll be working on assignments. So all of our wonderful vendors, and again, thank you very much for submitting for in person this year. All of our vendors will go through me, and I will place you at one of our 6 venues. We do try to honor all of the requests because I know we have some people who work specifically with others. So we do our best to accommodate those. If you have any questions regarding that, please do not hesitate to reach out, and I'll be more than happy to speak with you regarding that.
Definitely. And those assignments will come closer to the show and everything like that. So a bulk of the promotion, well, actually promotion launch starts officially Valentine's Day weekend. It starts that way every year. So this year it's the Super Bowl, it's like President's Day and all that. So it's a lot, but we're excited. So officially a Friday, the 11th, right? It's the 11th.
Yes.
Is when we're going to kick off all of our marketing. So you'll definitely start seeing an increased push. I know every day leading up to that, I'm sharing everybody who's followed us. So make sure you're following us on Instagram and all of our social. But that Friday is when the marketing really starts. So where are we going to be? We're going to be in NJ Bride, digital and print, NJ Monthly, same digital and print. We have njwedding.com. We have Elegant Bridal that we're involved with. We're also going to be on I think digital for Beasley as well as radio. We're definitely going to be on B98.5 again. We also have a special like packaged with Lenny. She's going to do some endorsements in the morning and some stuff on TikTok perhaps. So we're excited for that. We also own our own franchise through Tap Into, but we're going to be promoting the show in northern New Jersey. So Mercer County, Union, Essex, towns like Hoboken, East Brunswick, South Plainfield. So that's where we're going to be marketing for, to reach a bigger scope. We also have some ads that will kind of piggyback from there into the New York markets. We're also going to be locally in the Sandpaper. We also have NJ Family, print and digital. We're going to gear that more towards the party planning for kids and things like that, because this event is also for party planning. We're in micromedia publications throughout the whole year, so we'll definitely throw in some roadshow ads there. And then we're going to be boosting all of our social posts. So definitely make sure that you like us on Facebook, you're following us on Facebook, you like us on Instagram, because I'm going to go every single day, if not 3 to 4 times a day, be posting and sharing and cross promoting.
Make sure you tag us.
Yes. And
tag the chamber, the region, the road show.
Yes.
For increased promotion that way.
And that'll be included in the email as well. In case you're not on the email, you're watching this on YouTube or you shared it, you could just always email us at info@SOChamber. That gets to everybody. But since this, this is a big, huge endeavor, there's no other roadshow like this, even like with working with vendors and stuff like that. Usually this event takes place in one location. That's it. It's not always aesthetically pleasing. It's like a utopia type of thing. So this, people are able to see the region. They're able to go to yacht clubs. They're able to go to oceanfront places. So it's really great. But what comes with that are some unique challenges. So we're excited to be able to have Band Wango on board with us this year. We used it for Chowderfest. We used it for our Shop Small for the holidays. And essentially that's where we're going to be capturing our leads for the show. We're going to be able to share those with you like we used to. And essentially it mitigates. In the past, we used to have like a postcard with some stickers that we would stick on them that the radio would provide us. This year we're forgoing that. Brides will come to each venue, check in digitally with a pin, and it's going to be very interactive. It's going to be really cool. And this will be our third big, huge event that we're using this on. So we're very excited. That being said, there's a lot of assets and things that we need digitally, but not too much or more than we have had to, ask you for in the past. So below in this email and in the description below is your homework. So obviously, if you can't get the assets to us before the Valentine's Day weekend, please just email us. We can issue an extension or we'll find some supplemental things that you already have out there. I know things happen along the way. I know a lot of the bakeries do certain things, themed months. I know a lot of the photographers and everybody, they're upping their services. So if there's something that you need to add or that you want to let us know, we can definitely certainly add it. But we're asking for, some high-res images, just some verbiage as to what you would want brides or party planners to know, and for you to just download our media kit, check out the press release, share that out, and to also join our Facebook page. We have a LBI Weddings and Events Facebook page where you as a chamber member and as a special events category all year long, you can post and promote your services there, because that's another avenue that we're trying to bolster up, because it's shown some interest to have just one place to kind of house all of that. We have some other established pages as well, which is the LBI Holidays. Feel free to post on there as well. But definitely make sure that you're on there. You're following us on social, like we said. And if there's any questions, just email us. Either
just reach out.
Yeah, info@SOChamber, Kate@SOChamber, or marketing@SOChamber. Those 3 emails are great. And again, we're so excited to finally have the show back in person. It's definitely a great kickoff to spring.
There's been a lot of excitement. People are talking about it, and we just want to make sure we promote you as best as we can. And so we just ask that you send all that information to us as soon as you can.
Yeah, definitely. If you can send it to us before the Valentine's Day, weekend, that'd be great. Again, if you need an extension or you only send like a little bit here and there, just, let us know. But other than that, we're very excited. And thank you guys so much for being a part of the 14th annual LBI Wedding Roadshow.